Hi, my name is Edward Wreh. I am a digital health consultant with Nordic. I've been with the company for about 6 months. In my role as a digital health consultant, I help healthcare organizations and their leaders harness the power of technology to ensure the quality care of the patients. Healthcare can be complex, and if you add technology in the mix, that adds a whole new layer of complexity. And so as a child, I was referred to as spirited. And so I kind of turned that energy into solving puzzles. So if you look at some of the problems that we have in healthcare or in technology, right? It requires that passion, that drive, that ambition to want to dig deeper. And then with my experience as a veteran, I've always been passionate about giving back to the community. And so bringing all of that together, healthcare IT just seemed to be a good fit for me. We spend a lot of our time at work. We spend a lot of times with our colleagues. And so for me, culture is very valuable, right? I want to be working and supporting a company that values me not just as an employee, but also as a human being. And so Nordic check all of those boxes. Also, from a nerdy perspective, I want a company that challenges me, right? I want a company that forces me to grow, that gives me the resources that I need to be successful. And through my time at Nordic, I've been able to have all of that, which has made me become a stronger leader, a stronger person, and made me feel valued. Giving back is something that I'm passionate about. I am where I am today because of the sacrifices of those before me. And having conversations around D&I can be very uncomfortable and it can be complex. As a co-lead of our Believe ERG, I am happy and I'm honored and I'm privileged to work for an organization that supports such initiatives. Our ERGs have created a space that you can be your authentic self. It's a place for people to be who they are, come as they are. And I honestly believe when you can be your authentic self and show up like you really are, you are a happier employee, you're a more productive employee, and you just have this healthy culture at work. I am passionate about leaving this world a better place. As cliche as that may seem, I don't think it's just something you do professionally or something you do personally. I think it's the core of who you are. And realizing that about myself, I try to be engaged with various activities that's centric around that. So what does that mean? That means mentoring for the youth with incarcerated parents. That means giving back to my community. That means supporting my organization and its DE&I efforts. And just bringing all of that picture and making sure there is synergy between what I do personally and what I do professionally. Being true to yourself is important. Being valued is important. Being enabled to come to work every day as your true authentic self is empowering. And so working for an organization such as Nordic that allows me to do that every day in and out is amazing. It allows me to truly appreciate the work that I do. It allows me to tackle some of those complex problems without having to worry about some of the intangible things. And I'm grateful for that.